Hello there, welcome to Fidi Bakery. As usual, we have someone in the house, hands-on, At Fidi Bakery, we take you through it step by step. Yes, we have our wonderful sister here doing some choppings,
Well done, ma.
here to learn one or two things at the bakery.
Yes, so I'm here to learn.
Seriously, you can see she's doing it. As I told you, once you come, you do it yourself, you're able to learn it on your own. My own is give you the guidelines and work on giving you a very good recipe that when you get home, or if you want to start it as a business, or you want to change the taste board in the house, we are here for you. So Fidi Bakery, always here for you.
Yes.
Okay,